this calculus 2 integral is chain rule. So chain rule, the definition of chain rule is about states that the derivative of f g of x is f prime g of x times g prime of x, and this is the standard formula to substitute. So this is the formula of standard formula of chain rule, which is the d over dx. F of g times x is equal to f prime g prime x times g prime of x. So this is the standard of chain rule using this topic. So for example, in my problem, d over dx is equal to ln sine x is equal to 1 over sine x. So the derivation of ln is 1 over sine x, which is the standard of this calculus 2. And then first we must define the inside the bracket area, so which is this, the ln times sine x, and this is the only part, and then the part of g of x at this only inside the parentheses, which is sine over x, and it is already defined as we arranged. And then at this cos, this is the derivation of 1 over sine x, and which is example at this problem, d over dx ln sine of x is equal to 1 over sine x. So the derivation of ln, which is 1 over sine x, this is the standard conversion of the ln, and then we must define inside the bracket, which is the f g of x at this part only, which is the ln sine of x, and then at the g times x at this part only is sine x, then times cos, which is the derivation of 1 over sine x, which is the cos sine x. And then after, we must use the product rule. So d over dx is equal to ln times sine x. So this is at this part f of x and g of x here, and at this part, so we must convert at this using this side only. So f prime of g of x is equal to 1 over sine x, so which is this, and then the other side, which is the sine and the cos for the opposite conversion, which is the f prime g of x is equal to 1 over cosine, and that's it.